Oh,
Les
yes.
Heart de Cherie. What's it about? Akala ko ka-French na ako eh.
It's actually a concert. It's a very different kind of concert. It's mix of Broadway, Cirque du Soleil, and burlesque.
Wow!
So, syempre, catering to the Filipino market, of course.
Ano yung sabihin nun pag catering to the Filipino market?
Syempre yung walang suot pero may suot. Gets mo?
Yung pala yun. Pero balita ko, nagbabagong buhay ka na nga. Ano, nag-meet siya nito?
Oo, wala. Kasi parang syempre, I'm not getting any younger and my son is growing up. And syempre, I'm very thankful naman talaga for the opportunity na binigay sa akin ng Viva. Hindi ko talaga makakalimutan lahat ng mga projects na binigay sa akin. But siguro it's time for me to change something. Alam mo yun, yung parang parang I have to reveal na yung skills na inaral ko. And of course, as a singer, hindi naman alam ng mga tao that I really sing.
Oh,
So,
we do know. Oo. You're very
pero yung iba hindi. So, I really want to showcase my skills and at the same time my talent. So, I produce a show that I got really inspired. I went to Paris and I watched a show called Crazy Horse Show.
Yeah,
And,
oo.
diba?
Pantay-pantay yung legs nila.
Yes, at saka yung
Oo.
yung gupit ng mga nila,
Yes,
pantay-pantay.
oo. So medyo ganito to.
It's something like that, but it meets Cirque du Soleil and burlesque.
So you need a posse. Kasi di ba grupo ang Crazy
Yes,
Horse?
yes. Actually, mix siya na show. So, with the Broadway and some of the musical na ginawa ko, kakantahin ko din yung songs. So, yan siya. It's a different kind of entertainment for our Filipino kababayan.
Before we get into that, nakwento mo nga kanina kung paano sinabi ng anak mo sa yung itigil mo na yan. Ano daw ba itigil mo? Kumbaga kasi dati sabi mo iba yung pinapakita mo. We do know you're very talented. You DJ, you pole dance, you are an artist, you paint, you sing, but did it get overshadowed ba with the sexy work that you did on the big screen?
Yes, of course. Kasi alam naman natin sex sells talaga, no? And I have nothing against it naman. Sinabihan lang ako ng anak ko, parang inupo niya ako one day, tapos sabi niya sa akin, "Ma'am, whatever it is that you're doing, please stop." So parang nagkaroon ako ng wake-up call na, okay, I mean, okay naman yung mga movies na ginawa ko na sexy, ganun, pero siguro it's time to retire my, my
Parang hindi naman na-retire.
Hindi masabi. Hindi, na lang.
Alindog pa rin eh.
Sight na lang siya, pero
Oo.
hindi na siya yung boom, ganun.
Oh!
Ano na lang siya, parang, ganun na lang.
Oo.
Small, na lang.
Papip na lang, parang Crazy Horse.
Oo, parang ganun.
Tease na lang.
Tease na lang.
Oo. Pero alam mo yung show na yan, wala pang ganyan sa Pilipinas. Yun nakita ko ngayon, sabi ko, oh, it's so entertaining, it's an art form. Do you plan to extend this if it hits?
Yes, of course. Kung susuportahan ng ating mga kababayan, why not, 'di ba? So, ang goal ko talaga is to tour it sa iba-ibang probinsya kasi syempre hindi naman tayo nakaka-witness ng mga shows na ganito. Sanay tayo sa mga regular concerts, ganun. So, I want to be different from yung mga ibang performers.
Actually, sobrang iba na to kasi maglalambitin ka raw. Totoo ba yun?
Yeah, actually, I trained hard for this since 2009. Siyempre, hindi ko masyadong in-announce, though I post naman some of my pole performances on my social media. But this time, ang plan ko talaga, the long-term plan talaga why I trained is that I really want to incorporate it with my music. So, since I sing and I love Broadway songs, I love old classic music, and syempre yung mga bago ngayon, di ba? So, I mixed it up with my skills, which is pole dancing and aerial.
We do know how much of a great singer you are. May request nga yung mga kapatid natin sa press. Ano raw ba yung kakantahin mo sa amin this afternoon?
Syempre yung favorite song ko,
Ano?
yung Someone to Watch Over Me, kasi I'm looking for someone to watch over. It's
Wala pa ba? Girl, wala pa ba? O nagde-date-date ka na?
Wala lang, ang chill-chill lang, kalma-kalma lang muna po.
Baka wag ka papabola, ha? Baka, nung bobola ka naman.
Naku, okay lang naman kung bulahin ako, basta may katuturan yung pagbobola. Sabay ganun.
May ganun ba?
Oo naman, syempre, no? Syempre, hindi na tayo bumabata, no? Forever 24 lang naman yung
Oo.
tayo. So, pero syempre, umiikot din ang mundo. So, kailangan natin maging mas alam mo yon, yung hinahanap is someone na ano na, pang forever na. Hindi na yung pang temporary, ganun.
Okay. And eto na, kantahan mo na kami, please.
Sure. Alright, this is actually one of my favorite songs. It's called Someone to Watch Over Me. There's a saying old, says that love is blind. Still we're often told, seek and thee shall find. So I'm going to seek a certain lad I've had in mind, looking everywhere, haven't found him yet. Here's a big affair I cannot forget. Only man I ever think of with regrets. I'd like to add his initials to my monogram. Tell me, where is the shepherd for this lost lamb? There's a somebody I'm longing to see. I hope that he turns out to be someone to watch over me. Someone to watch over me.
Beautiful! Thank you so much.